Indian scientist leads discovery of ancient Loktak protocluster. Indian astrophysicist has led the discovery of a massive ancient structure in the early universe and offers the rare glimpse into how galaxies formed billions of years ago. It was named Loktak protocluster, and this newly discovered cosmic structure is being described as the city of galaxies under construction. This discovery has a special cultural connection as Dr. Ronaldo Laisram, who is the lead scientist from Manipur, and he named it after Loktak Lake. What is the Loktak protocluster? The Loktak protocluster is a massive structure made up of young galaxies which existed in the early universe. Scientists call it as protocluster because it is an early stage galaxy cluster still forming under the influence of the gravity. In simple terms, it is like a growing city where the galaxies are coming together to eventually form a massive galactic cluster. This structure is significant because it dates back 12.6 billion years. The universe was only about 1.2 billion years old. It offers the window into the earliest phases of cosmic structure formation. Why the discovery is important? That this discovery gives scientists a rare evidence about how galaxy formation in crowded environments. One of the major findings from the study is that where a galaxy exists affects how it evolves. Galaxies in the dense environments appears to grow differently compared to the isolated galaxies. This is important because understanding a galaxy evolution helps explain how the universe developed large scale structure, how the stars formed in early galaxies, how gravitational clustering shaped cosmic history, how present day galaxy clusters evolved. Why it is named after Loktak Lake? One of the most fascinating aspects of this discovery is its name. The structure was named after the iconic Loktak Lake is in Manipur, which is famous for its floating island known as Pumits. The comparison is symbolic as Loktak Lake contains floating interconnected land masses within one water body. The protocluster contains the multiple interconnected galaxy concentration forming one giant cosmic structure. Dr. Ronaldo Laisram said that the naming was deeply personal. By choosing a Loktak, he aims to connect his homeland's identity with humanity's exploration of the universe. Who is Dr. Ronaldo Laisram? The discovery was led by the Dr. Ronaldo Laisram, who is an astrophysicist from Khangabok, Thobal district, Manipur. He is currently as a researcher at the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, NAOJ, Tokyo. His academic background includes the master's degree in astronomy, PhD in astronomy, both from Tohoku University, Japan. His research focuses on galaxy formation, early universe evolution, cosmic structure development. How scientists made the discovery? The research team has used some of the world's most advanced telescope. Major instruments used are Subaru Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope. These observatories allow the scientists to look deep into the universe and effectively far back in time because the light from distant galaxies take billions of years to reach Earth. By observing them means we can see the ancient cosmic history.